Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Art Carnival. This is my another video on mini floral cards with 4 colors. In our previous video, I've painted more than glory, poppies, layered flowers and some other florals. You may like to check that out. I've given the link in the description box below. So let's begin with our first mini card for today's video. This is a flower with 4 petals. I have mixed pink color and some peach to paint these flowers. So begin with a round shaped petal. Paint 2 more petals in round shape on each side of the center petal. Now for the 4th petal, I'm just dragging my brush in the motion of smile. This gives the look of a folded petal. How simple and beautiful this flower looks like. We'll paint all the flowers in this way, and finally we'll add the darker brown in the center of the flowers. We'll also add few leaves in the round shape. Adding few splatters of paint and a short message, this completes our first card. For next flowers, I'm going to start with the center of the flower first with yellow ochre and the dark brown color. I'm also using a combination of pink, red, and peach shades to paint the flowers. This flower is very simple to paint as the shape of the petal is similar to that of the leaves. So all I'm doing here is dragging the brush in downwards motion twice, and this completes one petal. Add some leaves too in different sizes and colors to make this look more beautiful. Now moving on to our next floral card. Let's paint small peonies for this. To paint the peony, I'm painting few petals projecting in the outwards direction. Then I'm painting few strokes in the vertical direction, leaving some white spaces in between. Then at the top, painting few small curves that looks like one petal behind the another petal. let's complete the flowers with few leaves and we're done. Now let's move on to our next card and paint white daisies. To paint this, I'm starting from the center of the daisy with brown and some orange color. Now I have mixed very light gray color and moving the brush to make elongated petals. Add also a little bit of darker gray just to have the effect of shadows at some places. adding some leaves too with little bit of decoration with golden pen, and this completes our card. Hope you have enjoyed watching this tutorial on mini cards with watercolors. If you try these out, don't forget to share your work with me on Instagram. You can tag me in your posts or mention me on your stories. I have given the link to my Instagram account in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to spread happiness through art. Bye for now. See you in the next video.